Hi, my name is Kim, and I work for PSEG Long Island. And today, I'm here to show you just how easy it is to do business with PSEG Long Island when it comes to installing a new electric service, shutting off existing service, and everything else in between. When working with our customers on any project, there are 3 things to always keep in mind, not just for us, but for you, the customer, as well. Safety. Safety for our customers and employees is always our #1 priority. If a job site is not safe, we will need to delay any work until necessary actions are taken to ensure everyone's safety. Providing exceptional customer service. We want to make sure the job is done right and leave our customers 100% satisfied. Timeline for the project. It's important to set expectations with our customers as to how long each project will take so you can better plan before and after your business with us. Most projects can be completed within 3 weeks, but more complex projects can take a little longer. So please, contact us early in the planning stages. It's not uncommon for a customer to request the relocation of a utility pole or any other utility equipment that has been installed on your property. PSEG Long Island is always happy to help with these requests. However, please keep in mind that any work associated with these relocation requests must be paid in full by the customer. To get started with the relocation process, follow these simple steps. Visit our website at psegliny.com and click on the link for Building and Renovation Services. Select Facility and Equipment Relocation. Once you submit a request, we will schedule a customer planning representative who can discuss your relocation project. For small projects, we may be able to provide a quick estimate of the costs. For larger projects, such as a request to underground electric lines, we will provide an estimate and will ask you to pay a 10% non-refundable design payment. After we complete our detailed design, we will provide you with the total cost. Once payment is received, PSEG Long Island will schedule the work. Once you submit your application and forms, a member from our team will review your request and provide a response as soon as possible. You will receive a reference number for your project. Keep this number handy, as you will need it if making any inquiries about your service request. Most importantly, we are here to help you every step of the way. If you have any questions, you can contact the Building and Renovation Services via email at brsli@pseg.com or call us at 1-844-341-6378, Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your project.